Hi everyone, welcome to All Things Fancy. My name is Jessica Dominguez and today I'm going to be reviewing Lash Boost by Rodan Fields. So I know a lot of my fancy girls out there probably use lash extensions, strips, or individual lashes. If that's what you're doing, then you have something called bald lashes after you've been using it. For me, I was using strips and lashes and extensions for 3 years. It depends on who your lash tech is, how your application is, and everything in between, and how you take care of your lashes. Once you start doing it, it becomes addictive. Like most things, beauty. You wake up in the morning, you have those beautiful dewy eyes, you have no makeup on, and it looks like you're ready to face the world. So it becomes addictive. However, then your lashes start balding. So instead of losing hair on your head, you start losing it on your lashes. So I started using this product, Rodan Fields. I did use another product a couple years ago. I didn't have results. It wasn't Latisse, it was something else. But this, folks, works. It's now December 29th, and I've been using this since Labor Day weekend. And let me tell you guys, I have lashes. So right now, I only have foundation, lipstick, and a little bit of concealer on. But I'm gonna show you how easy it is to apply this. It's super, super easy. The effects are amazing. Even my lower lashes look amazing. And once you put mascara on, I found a really good mascara that L'Oreal has, your eyes just pop. So I found it, of course, through Instagram, and I had a couple of friends that had also used it, and I love the way their lashes look. So I said, why not? Let me try it. I do not sell this. If there's somebody that wants to collab and I can refer people to you, let me know, contact me down there, leave a comment, and let me just show you how easy this application is and how quick your lashes will start growing. I think I've only used fake lashes once since I've used this product, and it's pretty amazing that every day I go to work and I'm like, hey girls, look at my lashes, they're growing. So let me show you my lash line. This is what the lash line looks like. What is in my eyebrow? Do you see that? Okay, so it's very simple. You start applying to the lash line. Be very careful. I do have to say that since I started using this, I can't say it's due to this, but I do have a little bit more of, well, I never had it before, brown under eye circles. And I know that other products, that is a side effect of lash, serum. But again, I can't say that it's to this. So I'm just telling you girls that that's the only thing I've noticed. Some people have said that they did develop some kind of red eye, which my eyes were a little red, but I was only for like the first day. And of course your application, you wanna be very careful. But other than that, I haven't really seen anything. And again, I can't say that it's attributed to using this, but this is basically the Lash Boost, and it goes on seamlessly easy. Again, I've had this for 3 months. I haven't bought another one. It retails for $150. It comes in a cute little case, Rodan Fields. I love this. I don't think I'll ever stop using this unless something comes out and says stop using it. This is like totally amazing. This is without even applying mascara, if you can see. And look at my lashes. So now when I apply the mascara, you're totally gonna see how long my lashes are. And again, I've been using this since Labor Day, so September, we're now at the end of December, so almost 4 months now. I love this stuff. I totally would keep buying this, and they have a customer for life, unless you guys know something better, and I'll try it. But this is definitely the product for me. This is the mascara I'm using, sorry. It's called Voluminous Lash Paradise. I love this. Before this, I never even used mascara because I had so many fake lashes that I never had it. But look right away, instantly, how your lashes come up. And again, a lot of people look at me and they notice right away. They're like, oh my gosh, are those your lashes? A lot of my friends, my coworkers, they can't believe that these are my lashes. And then look at the bottom. And, I totally love, look how long this is. And they curl, like with even using an eyelash curler. I've not used an eyelash curler. Sorry guys, my skin has a couple breakouts. I did cover it up, but I'm seeing with this wonderful light, you can see all your imperfections. I guess it's not that bad, but I can see where I could have covered up a little bit. But look at this, guys. Like, this is great stuff. This mascara also is amazing. So I guess I'm doing 2 reviews in one. I love anything L'Oreal. L'Oreal is amazing to me. I like their skincare, I like their makeup. It just works for me. Never has steered me wrong yet. Look at this, amazing. And it does look like you have eyelash extensions. And I can't wait for them to keep growing, because when do you see bottom lashes like this, ever? Look, and then if you want to keep applying a little bit, this is just the mascara I'm using. I did see one online that I do want to try. It elongates your lashes too, but I'm gonna stick with this for right now. But look, right away, instantly, how good that looks. So that's it, guys. This is my review on Rodan's and Fields Lash Boost. I absolutely love it. Look at my lashes, amazing. I suggest you all go out and get this. Again, it retails for $150. I bought it from someone, I don't know if they still sell it, but if you want to comment down below, or if you do sell this product and you want me to refer people to you, let me know. Thanks again for watching All Things Fancy. Do not forget to subscribe, to follow my channel, follow me on Instagram, The Real Fancy Pants. And thank you so much for following me this year. I really appreciate it. There's gonna be a lot of videos coming your way, from DIY to beauty to manifestation and law of attraction. Happy New Year, guys. Besos.